Good morning, students. Today I want to make you understand about ascending order or descending order of the rational numbers. In this question you can see some rational numbers are positive and some are negative. When the both conditions are given, you can be in confusion which number is greater and which one is smaller. So this type of situation if you will get, you should do like this. First of all, you should write the given rational numbers. After that, find the LCM of denominators. LCM of 5, 10, 15. You have to take the LCM of denominators, and denominators has been written here. You know the process to find out the LCM. So first of all, you should divide this by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. Here you can see in second step 1, 2, 3. 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. So no need to do the further division. In this way you can write the LCM 1 into 2 into 3 into this 5. This 5. So your LCM will be 1 2 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6 and 6 5 ja 30. In this way you will take the LCM 30 and after that you will divide the LCM by each of the denominators, and when it will be divided with quotient you will multiply to the 1, as 5 is going to divide 30 into 6 times. 5 6 ja 30 and you will multiply 1 by 6. After that you will put the comma. Again you will divide 30 by 10. 10 3 ja 30 and you will multiply minus 3 with quotient 3. After that you will again put the comma and you will write the second numerator and multiply. Now you will divide the LCM by 15. 15 2 ja 30. 5 into 2. Now get the product. 6 1 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, minus 9, 5 2 ja 10 upon 30. Now you can write it in a separate way. You can write 6 by 30, minus 9 by 30 and 10 by 30. The LCM is the denominators of each and every numerators. So you can write separately it in this way. Now when the denominators are same, you can do the comparison of numerators. Before starting the comparison, you should know positive numbers are always greater than negative integers, negative numbers. So here both numbers are positive. The first rational numbers and the third rational numbers are positive. So in both numbers you should know which number is smaller and which one is larger. So you can see 6 is less than 10. So 6 will be smaller and 10 will be larger. And when you will consider the second rational number, that is negative, and all the negative numbers are less than positive numbers. So in this way, this number is the smallest number. After that, 6 is less than 10. So second number will be 6 by 30 and third your rational number will be the largest number. So when you are going to arrange in ascending order, you can write ascending order. You can write the smallest one minus 9 by 30 After that 6 by 30 and at last 10 by 30. That this was the solution result, but you have to write actual the given rational numbers in ascending order. So it will be, see here, it will be, the middle one is the smallest one, 3 by 10 is less than 1 by 5 and 1 by 5 is less than 5 by 13. It is your ascending order. As I have written here in ascending or descending order. So I have shown already in ascending order. Now the same number if you want to write in descending order. So in descending order you write the largest number first. After that, smaller, then smaller, and at last you will write the smallest rational number. So, in this order, and in descending order, largest to smaller जब जाते हैं, so you can see in this numbers 5 by 13 is the largest number. So you can write 5 by 13. This one is greater. This is the sign of greater number. After that you will write 1 by 5 and after that you will write minus 3 by 10. So in this way you can see if you will go smaller to larger you will write ascending order. If you go largest to smaller you will show the descending order. So in this way you have to solve the given questions by this method. If you are going to solve any rational number in ascending or descending order. Dear students, next topic is absolute value. You should know these two lines which has been drawn perpendicular. This is the sign of absolute value. And I want to remind you, if any number is between these two lines, either in negative form or in positive form, you have to change this rational number, negative rational number, this positive rational number, and you want to change it in absolute value. So absolute value is always positive. किसी भी रेशनल नंबर का चाहे वो नेगेटिव हो या पॉजिटिव हो, जो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू होता है वो ऑलवेज जो है पॉजिटिव होता है. तो माइनस 5 by 17 is equal to 5 by 17. In the same way, this is positive, already positive. So there should be no confusion. Either there is positive or negative. Their value will be positive. So this will be your result. So in this way, anytime anybody asks you about the absolute value of any rational number, either negative or positive, you have to give the answer in positive. Students, now note down the given homework in your copy and solve it properly according to the method taught today. The first one is arrange the rational numbers in ascending as well as in descending order in both orders. I have to write the question A and B has given. The second one is find the absolute value of given these numbers. So you should try more and more to do and to make understand yourself. Thank you.